Hi everyone. I wanted to let you know that I am going to have a random drawing for a $100 Visa gift card to help my channel grow. So what you have to do to win this $100 Visa gift card is you have to subscribe to my channel, and then you have to share from my channel to your social media. There's 2 of the upcoming videos. You need to share them on your social media from the direct page of YouTube, from my page. That's how we're going to know whether or not you have done that, and then you get entered into this giveaway. So you have the entire month of April to enter this contest, and the drawing will be made on May 1st. My stuffed shells recipe, and the other one is my pecan pie muffins recipe. You need to share one of those, and then you'll get entered into the contest. So this video will be in the description of my upcoming videos. That way you will know which ones to share. Good luck!